Alright, you guys. So I'm coming back with another video tutorial for you guys. How to install basic FiveM server. This isn't any mods with it, it's just the server itself. These links will be provided in my YouTube video, so be sure to just go link by link for me. So when you get here, first thing you want to do is go to download server non-commercial. So if you're on Windows, you'll do Windows. Linux, you'll do Linux. Depends on what kind of server you're running. I am going to be building this one on my personal PC, which is Windows 10. So this is what we'll be doing here. Make sure you have installed Visual C++. You just click that. It'll download. You'll install it. I don't need to install it, but I will. I'll download it to show you. Alright, so it says next, create a new folder, for example, D/FX server. So where that D comes from is here. Local disk C. Ours is C. So you're going to go to new folder, just call it FX server. Now, that's the FX server right there. I'm just going to minimize that for a minute. Alright, extract. Alright, so download the master branch build from Windows for the artifact server. So you'll come here, go to whatever the newest version is, server.zip. It'll start downloading. Once it downloads, you're free to exit out of that. You no longer need that. Well, we'll let that finish downloading. Extract the build. Use any Arch tools such as WinRAR, 7-zip. I use 7-zip because it doesn't make all them folders look like little notebooks. I'm kind of OCD about the things on my PC. So next it says clone CF server data in a new folder other than your FX folder. So you just come here, download zip. It will start downloading here in just a moment. Alright, so that is finished. I'm going to show it in folder. That's it there. Go ahead and open up our FX server. This is where I've got it. I'll just take everything from in there, drag and drop. That there's done. The server data has been finished also. I just grab both of these and throw them in here. Instead of doing a server data folder area, I just drag everything in there. So we've got our resource folder here. That's everything that is basic to start a server. So we're done with that. We'll go to FiveM, back to the website. Alright, make a server config in your folder. You need to copy the example below. Generated license here. Alright, so this here is what we're going to be copying. Copy that. And we'll go here. There is a run bat, but I always go here. Text document. Start. Just name it start. Jump in there. with Notepad++, I find best. Pull that over here. We'll just control paste. We're on Windows. We're on C, so we'll do C drive, run command, plus extension server config. And then we'll file, save as, and you go down here and save it as a BAT file, a .bat. Let's see where that is. Right here, batch file. And we'll save it as that. No, I don't want to download it. So now this here we can delete because it is now here. It'll do that because it doesn't have anything, but let's just make sure the server bat is there. Go ahead, delete that. I don't know what this crashes folder is, but delete it for now. It wasn't there from the beginning. Alright, so next we're going to create a new folder and call it, a new text document and call it server. And this will be the server config. So edit with Notepad++. We're going to go back to the website, go in here, and copy all this. Just copy. Go here. Bam. That's that. So when you're looking at this, there's a few things you'll need to do when you put it in. So this here is to allow menus. If you want to be able to use a menu on your server, like clients can use the menus, 1. If you don't, put it to 0. You know, change me, just put it to whatever you want. Common, alright, so these are tags for your server. I'm just going to do dev. Let's get enough tag for it. Cowboy. Alright, so that's that. Alright, so you can put your logo in your regular, the first folder. I'll show you where to put that here in a second. So uncomment this line if you want your server to be listed in the server browser, if you don't want it to be listed. So if you want your server to pop up, leave it hashtagged. If you don't want it to pop up, remove the hashtag. It'll be invisible. One way to find it by direct connect. And then to add a Steam principal as an admin, it's right there. What we're going to do for my server key is just copy a prior server key that I have. File Explorer, downloads, server shit. ESX FiveM, I believe, or I know how to get it. So we'll go up here. I can get my key from just going here. Your keys are logged to your email address. You can have infinite amount of keys, but we're just going to take a key off of here, copy. We'll just post that key right here where it says change me. Save. That's done. So that's up. It connects that. When you want to put your logo in, you can just drop it in this right here, and your logo will load. So that's done. So we'll go ahead and start it up. Oh, I forgot to save this as a .cfg, so file, save as CFG, so config. So the only thing I don't like about here, C4s, XCM. Alright, so trying to find this CFG. I tell you what, let's do this. Cancel. Alright, so open file, save as .cfg. All files save. Delete. Open with Notepad++. Make sure everything's still there. Alright, so that's that. Now you just come here, start, allow access. Alright, so server started up. Send the heartbeat. Oh, I need to turn exempt on. So we'll just start up exempt. Alright, exempt is running. Everything went through good. So next we'll just come here. Alright, so once we go in here, we should be good. Everything should pop up. Server should be online. It don't take but a couple minutes to actually put a server online. Enable localhost. So we'll just hit our localhost. When you're hosting off your own computer, you need an internet connection, you do, in order to stream it to FiveM, but you don't have to open your ports to go in the server. You know, no one else can join, but you can. So that's one of the good things about being a development server. You can just hop in there, test everything out, and then upload it to your actual server that you have people playing on. I will be coming back with a couple more videos after this one with how to install cars, Y maps, you know, the whole shebang. That way there's a good tutorial on how to do it, because I do see tutorials but not good ones. They go all out there on stuff that you don't even need to go to on them. So, you know, this here gives all, one link gives everything you need. Alright, and as you see, we're in the server. Of course, it's going to be terrible because I have crappy internet. So the stream to it is quite bad, but it's there. See guys, if you like the video portion of this, let me know. I will be uploading a couple more videos here shortly of cars and everything else with it. But you have a good one.